Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 44, Commodore Crescent. Located in one of Port Macquarie's exclusive waterfront estates with unique curved architecture, soaring ceilings and the ultimate in indoor and outdoor living. Let's go and take a look through.
I can hear your voice, I can hear you through the silence, through the silence. I can hear your voice, I can hear you through the silence, through the silence.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a one-of-a-kind property in an exclusive waterfront setting. And you know as well as I do, these opportunities don't come up very often, so don't miss out. I'm Brendan Stead from Elders Lifestyle Group, and I look forward to your inquiry.